like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling, bow, she don't stay with.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be making a DIY photo wall. I am like a lot of, oh, my leg stuck. Oh, that hurts. Like a lot of people, I am extremely bored during this whole quarantine thing, and I can guarantee that this won't be the last time I decide to do something new with my room. I've got lots of plans, but today's plan is making a photo wall. You've probably seen those, like, I think they're from Tezza. They have these like photo collage walls, but they're kind of like pricey. And I don't have that kind of money at the moment to spend on a collage wall. So I'm gonna make my own because I wanted it to be, one, I don't want to spend that much on a collage wall because like it just doesn't seem right to me. But if I do spend that much on something else, don't say anything about it. And I wanted it to be a bit more personal and about me. So I am gonna be making my collage wall. I have all my pictures from Pinterest saved here. I made a Google slide of it so I can print it out onto the photo paper I got and I can stick it on the wall. This is gonna be more of a like vlog style video. I don't know how I'm gonna film most of this. I might get my sister to help me, but pretty much I'm just gonna go with the flow. So here are the pictures I've got, some of them. I'll do a little flash of what they look like, my pictures. Oh, I cannot hold this. I think it's very personal, very me. I handpicked out every single photo, which I think is a bit different to like getting one already made, because I know it would look cute and all, but like it wouldn't be me. And I'm all about being who I am as a person. I don't know what I'm saying, but I just thought this would be a lot more personal. I got some of my favorite albums, some of my favorite TV shows, some of my favorite people. Got my celebrity crushes in there, you know, I got them all. So it's gonna be very me. It doesn't really have a set color. It's kind of just, it's just my aesthetic on my wall. I am a bit nervous about if this is actually gonna fill the wall. The Tezza one has like 150 pics. I have about 70 pics, but I'm not filling up like a whole wall. First step to making it would be to find pictures. I found a bunch of pictures yesterday. I think I filmed some of it yesterday of me finding pictures, and then put them onto a Google slide or Google Doc so that you can print them out and cut them out. I had some problems with like fitting because I want it to like be as big as possible, but I didn't want to like enlarge the faces. So yeah, I need to do some editing, and I'll see y'all when I'm finished and I'm downstairs printing out my papers. I got to show y'all upstairs, but I got this like photo finished paper which gives it a glossy look. The back of the paper is normal, like it's kind of glossy here, so it looks a lot nicer. So yeah. I have my pictures, and I was thinking about putting it on this wall, but I have my Polaroids, so I'm probably going to take those off right now and then put those on it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, I already started this video. So it's the second day of filming this video. Yesterday I really just printed everything out and cut them out, which took like 3 hours to do if I'm being honest. And now I'm gonna start putting it on my wall. I feel like I don't have enough pictures. I have around 69 pictures. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. Yeah, I'm not sure if I should continue that way or just go right up. But I'm planning on over time just doing the whole wall. But right now I probably only have enough to do that top bit. I had to get a stool so I can reach the very top, but this is what it looks like as of right now. I got some more paper so I'm able to do the whole thing. Okay, so I finished this side. This side's not completely finished, but I need to print out some more because I have decided that I don't just want to do this side because this kind of looks a bit weird. I'm going to do it all the way up to here and just do this whole wall. But this is what one packet looks like, and I have two more, so I think it will work. So this is what it looks like so far.
It's not for me to say you love.
So I finished, oh wait, I'm not. Okay, so I just finished the wall. Don't mind my little bun, I look a bit rough. But I've been like doing this for about 2 hours, and I finished this side. I kind of had to I was gonna do a straight line, as you can probably tell from the bottom. But then I ran out of photos because my printer ran out of ink because some of them went wrong.
It's not for me to say you love.